Today, the fresh restart your body desperately needs. I'm unveiling my clean prescription restart plan. From clean carbs and proteins that will boost your digestion to the cleanest ways to boost your energy without caffeine or sugar, your whole body needs this total restart. And I've assembled an A-list clean team of house stars, one of the biggest TV trainers who can motivate anybody, Jen Widerstrom, from the Biggest Losers here. And she's also co-host of Daily Blast Live. Got a new quiz to help you find your clean exercise type. You're gonna know what's right for you. Trend-setting dermatologist Dr. Doris Day joins us, revealing a new 10-minute regimen customized to keep your deep clean in your skin the way you really want to clean your skin, the right way. And finally, maybe I know you want that, and Kathy Fresh, the best-selling author and wellness leader, is here to restart your diet with the clean food supermarket shopping list. You're going to want to forward this to all your friends. So let's kick off the clean restart plan, one of the best ways to transform your body, because you can go from this, look carefully, to this. It's up to you. It can be yours. And my first guest is going to show you exactly how. Jen, come on down. I like that picture. Isn't it nice?
We've all come a long way.
I think it's pretty cool.
We all start somewhere, don't we?
When you see that picture, what does it bring to you?
I think I just don't realize how disconnected I was. I don't think I realized how I wasn't paying attention or connected to my life, and it reminds me of why I fight for this life every day.
God bless you.
Know? Yeah. I want to be awake.
So part of your secret, it worked for you, it works for the people you help, it'll work for our audience today, is clean. Mm-hmm. How does exercise help clean the insides of your body?
So it's funny, when you talked to me about clean living the other day, I thought, clean living is about consistency. Clean living is about building a routine that you can stick with, and you can do that by finding that based on your personality type.
So we got a quiz for you. Come on up.
Yeah.
3 simple questions.
Who doesn't love a quiz?
Everyone does. All you got to do is pay attention to these. You'll find out your exercise type, your clean exercise type. The first question, audience, you going to follow along with me on these? There's just 3. And everyone at home, same thing. Keep track. Whether you're A or B or C. First question, how do you make time to work out? Be honest with the answers. Take it
Okay,
away.
here we go. Question A, or answer A. I like to schedule my workouts ahead of time so I know when I'm going and what I'm doing. B, I'm very go with the flow and whenever I feel like it. Some people, that's not you.
No.
Or C, work out, there's never any time. Okay?
That I hear a lot. Right, so A, B, or C, we're not judging here, just keep track.
Hold your answer. Yep.
Question number 2. What is the ideal training environment?
Okay, so that's A. I like some healthy competition, whether it's competing against my old times or competing against others. B.
I like that.
Keep it fresh with variety. I like to try new workouts because I get bored easily. Or are you C? I find I'm better getting my workout when I'm actually meeting a friend or a personal trainer. Someone needs to be there to keep me accountable.
Yeah, a little social stuff going on there.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Absolutely.
So that's 2 down, 1 to go. Last question is, how do you measure the success of a workout? Listen carefully to the answers.
This is really important. So again, A, I need data. I need to feel like there's stats in front of me coming from a monitor or my wristband. Immediate feedback from the workout is what I need. Are you B? Whenever I finish a workout, I always feel good, so it's always a success. Or are you C? If I show up, I call it a win. No matter how good or bad I perform.
How many A's are there out there? All the A's?
With pride, please. Yeah,
Yes.
Hands up.
I'm an A. What's the deal with an A? What does that mean?
Okay, so my A's are my neat freaks, and I say that endearingly, okay? In my book, I call you an organized doer.
It's good for surgeons. It's good for a lot of things, but not for everybody. So for the A's out there, there's hope for the B's.
My B's, I love you. You are my rebels, okay? You are like free form, figure it out, but full of adventure, but needing variety.
And we call you mess lovers, because we're talking about clean here, so we're using adjectives to work for clean people. It's okay. If you love a mess, you can always clean it up.
My best friend's a mess lover. She dries her hair out the window on the way to work, okay?
Oh.
You know what I mean? Like, could you see Oz doing that? No way.
James Dean. All right. And for the C's out there.
Show me the C's, the picker-uppers, okay? I am that person too. Again, in my book, it's called an everyday hero. If you guys put half the energy into yourself that you put into others, you're gonna thrive, you're gonna do better. So what happens is you need to kind of prioritize things for yourself like you would for someone else.
All right, here's the deal. When you come back, a customized, clean workout plan for your exercise type. Hold back, guys. This will work for you. It's designed for you. We're back with my first ever clean prescription restart plan with simple exercise moves customized for you. Now, you just took our quiz, hopefully, to find out if your clean exercise type is A, a neat freak. That was who I was. You love structure, you love competition. Or are you a mess lover? Right, all over the place with your workouts, but you love to try new things. Or you can be maybe a picker-upper, right? A picker-upper needs a workout partner to be accountable. Now, you can take the quiz on DrOz.com to find out exactly what kind you are and share it with your friends. But for now, pay attention because all of these might work for you. Trainer Jen Widerstrom from The Biggest Loser is here with a customized, clean exercise plan for your type. And we're going to start with me.
We're starting with Oz.
For the clean freaks, what's your prescription?
Well, I mean, here's the reality. Cycling classes, it's regimented, they're at the same times every day. You're able to have this immediate feedback in the screen in front of you.
Yeah.
And look at this, little friendly competition, right?
Oh, I like that.
We're gonna do it my way though. Let's hit it.
What? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
But here's the thing, right? He's focused, he's dialed in, and what's great about my neat freaks is that they're able to do a higher volume of work.
Oh, move it up a little bit. Come on now.
Come on.
Up.
You're good. Are you? Is this stuff? He's like dating himself so bad. Is that your best Travolta?
That's I got this. I got this going.
But anyway, look at this, guys. Someone like Oz and the rest of my organized doers out there, you can do this 5-6 times a week. You can do it for over 60 minutes. You thrive in this, so get to it, okay?
Get as fast as you can go. Come on now, 10 seconds. As hard as you can go.
Gosh,
Woo.
no.
I'm ahead of her. I'm ahead of her. Woo.
See? The competitive one. I'm the everyday doer, the everyday hero. That's why I'm not into the competition.
All right, neat freak we got. Let's move on to the B's. These are the mess lovers. Pisha is this type.
I'm a little out of breath.
Oh, come on now. You're talking. Everyone can just talk.
If someone challenges you, you gotta go for it, right? Okay.
Pisha, how are you? You're a real B?
I'm ready.
Okay, so these are my mess lovers, my rebels. What I've put together is a kettlebell circuit, because a kettlebell swing is not enough, not for my rebels. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna demonstrate one time through. It's gonna be a combination. I'll show you one, sweetie. So you're gonna do a swing, pick up into a kettlebell, squat, into a press, right back to home base. Here we go. You ready?
Pick it up. This is for the clean approach. There we go.
Yep, so clean approach. Right here, swing.
Oh, I hurt myself.
No, you didn't. Drop and press. And the reason this works, back to your swing, exactly, because my rebels want that variety, the challenge. If you're smiling and nodding thinking, I want this, you're my mess lover. And again, the whole point of all this, guys, it's a workout that you'll keep doing, that you'll love, that you'll keep at it, you'll make it part of your routine, because that's how we get clean life.
She's liking it. She's liking it.
I can't even talk.
Good work. Mixes it up enough.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Would you have fun?
Yes, I love it.
Kept changing?
All the time.
Speaking of changing.
And our last one is actually the picker-uppers. These folks, you say, are very social.
But my picker-uppers, you guys thrive with other people, right? You're my everyday heroes. You're doing everything for everybody else before yourself. So that's why I've got this. I'm nice, buddy. So we got Jessica, we got Caprice here, and we're gonna do. The reality is, you're more likely to meet me at the gym versus just go by yourself. You're more likely to meet together than go by yourself. So Oz and I are gonna work out with you girls and make it happen. The other thing too, it's a nice little bonus meditation because it's kind of like you get a little anger out. You don't seem very angry.
I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for you.
Okay, so here we go. Gloves are up. Give me a jab.
Oh my goodness.
Go.
Whoa.
Go.
Whoa.
And go. Okay,
Whoa.
now show me a cross. Go.
Boom. Oh my goodness. I hurt.
Go. And go.
We
got one more. Show them the combo. One,
I
two,
like
go.
this. Ryan, she's got it going. She's got it going. She's got it going.
Yes.
Now we're talking.
And because it's who they are, it's gonna work and it's gonna keep working because you're gonna keep going.
I knew you'd do that. I knew you were coming after me.
coming after you?
Yes, I knew they would. Jen, wonderful idea. Listen, clean workouts affect you in many, many different ways. Exercise is probably the most valuable thing.
Absolutely.
I know you all struggle with it. That's why Jen works so hard to make sure they match it to your personality. Take advantage of the wisdom.
Yeah.
Make it fun, enjoy it, and you'll do it all the time. If it's not fun, you're not going to, so why even bother? By the way, her book's fantastic. It talks all about this. Diet right for your personality type.
Yep.
Take advantage of her wisdom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.